Let's see how many takes this will take.
Now, we work in elite motorsport. I'm not trying to bore anyone with the mathematics or the conservation laws, etc., etc. Everyone's lived through it, and I'm not trying to send anyone back to class, except for those engineers who are confused even by their own area of expertise. For those who have been following my posts will know that in one of my uploads I had requested viewers to track F1. I have made this easier to compare together by placing the two uploads side by side, noting that there is very little significant difference between the two uploads other than the appearance of the F1 symbol, while both are analytically true solutions to the undefined curve problem. This appears in the bottom right corner of the footage in the later parts of the clip, and also shown in the spherical simulations, for which no definition can exist. So we can see that F1 appeared on the right hand screen and within 30 seconds was positioned in 3 different locations. And at the end of the 30-second mark, the analytical solutions appear on the bottom right corner for the undefined curve problem. In complete phrases, this is mathematically described with the inner product space with infinite smooth global solutions, with the 2 letters WR appear between 4 bars. Now, in all the work that I produce, mainly related to computational fluid dynamics, I create, manipulate, and enhance using a standard handheld device, given that it's much more easier to use, is more efficient, and takes up less physical space compared to laptops and computers, which require more energy. Yes, before I get to the bit that confuses everyone, the next few clips present an extreme challenge for both your eyes to track F1 and for any tracking system that can be engineered onto both modern and postmodern computers. And of course, postmodern computers are a specific reference to quantum computers. And so one can not only be statistically and stylistically confident, but also objectively confident by verifying and exposing the limitations of modern technology. And so to conclude some of my final remarks in this video, I would like to apologise for any confusion I may have unknowingly caused. However, despite this, I've covered various fields of applied mathematics and engineering. And to name a couple of problems that previously have not been solved within the modern industry, I have provided in parts solutions to turbulent modelling and experimental descriptions
Of energy contained inside a cup.
subjected to external forces and vibrations. And so, given that I have already provided my explanations of those experiments, please view the content I uploaded back then for a more in-depth description. Once more, I'd like to thank you all for listening and supporting my learning journey, and please do feel free to watch on until the end.